Hi, namaste, welcome. My name is Ali, and in this video I am going to lead just a short guided meditation and a little bit of pranayama, a little bit of breathing. So you can take a moment and find a comfortable seated position. I'm just here on the shores of Portugal, the west coast of Portugal, and I'll let you know a little bit more about that at the end of this video if you're interested to know why I'm here. Okay, so finding that comfortable seated position within yourself, you might take your hands into Yana Mudra, down into the lap, and then closing down through the eyes, taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth, and in through the nose, out through the mouth. And one more deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And just letting your breath settle now into a natural and easy rhythm. Welcoming the sounds in your environment. And the sounds of the ocean. And the sensations of your breath within the nostrils. Welcoming the sensation of temperature of the air inside of your nose. And also any aromas that may be present. And also any difference in the sensation from the inhalation to the exhalation. Perhaps a little bit of warmth on the exhale, or humidity. Maybe a little bit more coolness or freshness on the inhale. Just noticing. Letting your whole face begin to soften. As you settle into the sensation of the breath. We'll welcome a mantra practice with this breath. So each time that you inhale, welcoming the word so, mentally whispering so, each exhale, hum. So finding your natural rhythm of breath, inhaling so, exhaling, hum. Allowing the mind to be absorbed in this mental whisper. Inhaling so, exhaling hum. I am that. And you can stay with this mantra if this is feeling beneficial for you in the moment, or you can gently switch your mental focus to I am on the inhale, exhaling peace, inhaling I am, exhaling peace. Just continuing at your own rhythm. Inhaling I am, exhaling peace. Just a few more breaths like this. And then taking a moment to notice, releasing that and taking a moment to notice how you feel. To notice the effects of this short and sweet mantra, internal mantra practice. And then gathering hands at the heart, Namaskar Mudra. And once again, just noticing how you feel. I invite you to take 2 breaths in through the nose. And exhale, open the mouth, side out. We'll do that 2 more times. So inhaling twice. And exhaling, side out. This time taking a full breath in. A little bit more if you can. And side out. Fluttering the eyes open when you're ready. You might take a look around your environment, noticing what you notice, the colors, the shapes. You might welcome the beautiful setting sun. If you can see this screen, the video at this time, it's a beautiful sun setting here at the moment on the beach in Portugal. And thank you so much. Thank you for joining me today. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. I'd love to learn how you feel, what effects you notice after just a short, sweet meditation with a focus on the breath and a mantra, noticing what that creates in your body, in your energy, the quality of presence that's here, in the state of the mind and the mood, the emotional tone that's here. Just noticing the power of a short and sweet practice like this. Notice what it can shift, what it could bring into your days, the ripple effects that it could bring into your rest of your day or your week. And knowing that just short, sweet practices like this, first thing in the morning, can really help to change the trajectory of your whole day and how your day actually unfolds in terms of the way that you show up, the energy that you bring to it, the focus that you have. It can really, truly be transformative. So let me know if you're taking up a morning meditation, pranayama practice. Maybe you have a morning yoga nidra practice. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you are here from one of our online teacher trainings, our Embodied Wisdom 200-hour yoga teacher training, or our Transformational Sleep 100-hour yoga nidra teacher training, our Moon to Moon restorative yoga teacher training, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. I'd love to know what module you're on, how things are going for you in your process, in your journey in the course. And if you're interested to learn more about what I'm doing here in Portugal, we actually just finished leading a 1-week long immersive yoga and yoga nidra retreat at a beautiful location, Paradise in Portugal. We just today went on a beautiful tour of a location for next year, Monte Velo. I'll post a little bit more about it here. We're at the beautiful beach that is just about an 8-minute drive from the location at Monte Velo. And there's some pooches playing right beside me. One of them's super into it, and the other one is like, no thank you. No thank you. I do not feel like playing with you right now. But I'll let you know if you'd like to learn more, if you'd like to come to retreat with us. You can click the link below, download the information package, or you can email our travel agent Kathy directly and she'll let you know. It's a beautifully accessible spot for those of you in Europe or the UK. We had many people who actually traveled by train to come and visit us and practice with us in person here in Portugal this year, which I absolutely love. Oh, here he comes. That's the excited one, as you probably can tell. He's like, let's play. And the other one's like, no, it's not happening. Just give up. I'm not playing with you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you in another video soon, another practice soon. May be happy, may be healthy, may be peaceful, may be free. Namaste.